come roll some paper beads with me today. So I am rolling a paper bead, making some beads today, and this is how I roll the beads with the paper bead roller. I sell my paper beads online at Etsy.com. My website, which would take you over to my my shop on Etsy, is called sarahspaperbeads.com. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on there so it can hold the bead together like this. And there you go. There's a bead right there. It's not finished yet, of course, because it has to be dipped in the wood hardener and it has to be dipped in a gloss. And that's how I make my paper beads. I'll make another one, and then I'll show you something that I made with some of my paper beads. There we go. Rolling, rolling, rolling. This is so much fun. I love making paper beads. It passes the time when you're bored, when it's raining and you have nothing to do. And it also gives you a little bit of spending money when you sell your paper beads too. I don't sell a lot of beads, but what I do sell, it's nice because I get to get the little bit of spending money in my pocket. So not only is it fun, but it's a little bit of a profitable, I guess you can say. It's not gonna like pay the bills with the amount of money I get for selling, unless I sell a lot, but I have to make a lot. I just recently sold about 10 sets of beads, but I didn't earn a lot, but it's okay because it's something, and I can save that money up for something I want. So I'm not complaining. We'll roll one more bead, and then I'll show you what I made, because with these beads you can make jewelry with it, or keychains or something, whatever you do with beads. Okay, there we go.